Click subscribe now below. Welcome back. Today we have a special Barbie Sweet Treats. And this is quite a few years old, but it's still beautiful, brand new in the box. Comes with all of Barbie's baking supplies, as well as some cookie cutters, sprinkles, and frosting for us to make our own cookies. However, with this being so old, we're gonna go ahead and throw the sprinkles and frosting away and make our own. Make sure you stay until the end because me and Kaya are going to be making cookies and frosting and decorating them, and you're gonna wanna see it. So the first thing that comes with this set is a pink mixing bowl, and we have some little stencil cutouts. That's for sprinkles. Oh, and here is the sprinkle shaker, actually. We can put our own sprinkles in here, and this really works. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Do it hard. There you go. We have a spoon for Barbie to mix up her ingredients with. And it looks like also a measuring cup with a B for Barbie on it. Perfect. Here is the frosting and the sprinkles that I was talking about from 1998. So we're going to throw those away and use some new ones and make our own frosting. We also have Barbie's kitchen island. Put all her little baking supplies up on there so she can get to baking some cookies. There you go. All right, what else do we have? Oh, a mixer, and this actually works. You just wind this little knob here, and off it goes. It works all on its own. That's pretty cool. Barbie can actually mix her own cookie dough. Wow. What else? Oh, it looks like we have our heart cookie cutters. We're going to try those out later. And of course, we have a hairbrush for Barbie. Always need a hairbrush. Here's Barbie herself. She looks very different from the modern Barbies, but wow, is she pretty. With her apron and her pink shirt. And it even comes with a stand so that she can stand up all on her own without driving me crazy and falling down 100 times. Hi, Barbie. Oh, hello. So we're going to go ahead and bake some cookies and make our own frosting and decorate them. We're going to make frosting identical to the one that came with Barbie, and we're going to do some sprinkles that are very similar. And we're also going to use the cookie cutters that came with the set. Okay. And now we're going to take this. We've got the heart cutters, and we're going to go ahead and make some heart cookies. So, oh, good job. I'll do one. Oh, you want to do another? Yeah. Good job. Oh.
Do another one.
Now, hold on. We're going to peel this part up. Whoa, these are a little mushy. Good job. Peel it up.
I did it.
Yeah, you did. Good job.
Go. We gross.
Yeah. All right, and now the cookies are going to go in. Whoa. Boop. And in they go.
What's
And then we're going to make the rest of them.
What's it? I'm cooking the week. What's it?
Cookie dough for a cookie monster. Bite it.
Nah. Good.
Push it. Good job. Now lift it up. There we go. Now we're going to peel this part back.
Cool.
And ta-da, we got a heart cookie. And then after we're done baking them, we're going to decorate them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we going to put on them, you think? What color frosting are we going to do?
A rainbow frosting.
Rainbow frosting. They came out not very heart-shaped after all, because they cook and they spread out. I put it in the fridge first, then it would have looked more like hearts, but we didn't do that. Oh, that one looks pretty good though, right?
Yeah.
That one looks pretty good. I think so.
This one was good.
All right, and we've got our rainbow frostings. Look at those. Looking pretty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got some blue, and then I'm going to put a little purple on there too.
Look.
Ooh. So this is like the frosting that the Barbie set comes with. However, it's not from the 90s. We just made it today. And we also have this that came with the Barbie set too, if you remember. We're gonna punch out the little stencils on it. Let's try it if I lay it on there like that. Ready?
Oh, no, more cookie yet? No.
No, not yet.
No.
What do you think? Does it work, Kai?
No.
Ah, it does stick to the frosting, which I figured it would. Unfortunately,
Oh, yeah.
nope, it just destroys the cookie. These don't work very well. Unless, I guess, maybe you wait until the frosting's hard, but then the sprinkles aren't gonna stick, so
Willow.
I don't know. Ooh, yours looks like tie-dye.
Wanna.
Yeah.
Yeah, tie-dye.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, that was my cookie.
Whoa, look at that. Tie-dye.
Oh, more tie-dye. Too.
Yeah, when you swirl all the colors together.
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't.
Really good cookie.
Yeah. Do you want to take a bite of one?
Not yet.
Oh, wow. Okay. Said no toddler ever. There you go. Perfect.
It tastes really good.
Mm-hmm. Was that good?
I mean,
Was it delicious?
it's a tasty. It's a
Oh, you used the wrong side of the knife, silly. Whoops. That one.
Oh, to die.
Tied another tie-dye. And did Barbie make a cookie at all?
No.
Oh, Barbie. Here, I'll give her a cookie. Here you go, Barbie. You can have that cookie.
It's tasty. It's thank you.
Did Barbie say thank you?
No.
She didn't? Oh, she's probably going to take a time out then, huh?
No. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaya. Excuse me, Kaya. I just wanted to say thank you. I'm sorry that I didn't say thank you before. I am really not a rude person at all. My apologies. Do you forgive me? Excuse me, do you forgive me? Can I get a hug?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. By the way, you made the most delicious, beautiful cookies I have ever seen in my life.
Not eat it yet.
You did. You had a bite of one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Thank you.
My cookie.
Oh, yeah, now you're having a bite?